Hi, this is David Straight with Weathermatic Tech Services, and today I wanted to take a moment to share with you how to set your days to water. This function works the same whether you're using a SmartLine or a ProLine controller panel. So let's get started. First, we want to rotate our dial around to the days to water position. And you'll notice on the little LCD display that it's indicating to us that we're in Program A, and that currently we're using the days feature to set our scheduling. Now I want you to know there's a couple options here. So if you press the up or the down button, you'll see that we can use an even, an odd, or even an interval for scheduling our watering cycles. So if we're using the days feature, we'll simply press the next button to enter that function. As you can see at the top of the screen, all of the days are currently active. So what we want to do now is, let's just say, set it for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will use the up and down buttons, doesn't matter which, to turn the days either on or off. So I'll turn off Sunday. I'll press the next button to advance to Monday and again to Tuesday, turning that off as well. And again for Thursday, and then Saturday. So now, when I rotate the dial away from this position, it is storing the changes I have made to the panel. And as you can see in the run position, we're now looking at Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now going back to the days to water feature, let's change that to even. Now when I rotate my dial away from that position, it's telling me right now that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are even watering days. So perfect. Now, let's go back to days to water. We'll change that to odd. We will now rotate back around to the run position, and the odd days are now updated to the panel. Now, returning back to the days to water position, we're going to select interval. Now, once interval is displayed, we'll select next, so we enter the function, and here's where we decide how many days we're going to have between our cycles. So let's just say every 2 days we want a cycle. We'll press next. Now, when do we want this 2-day cycle to start? Using the up button or the down button, we can select the day that this 2-day interval is going to start. So let's just say I'm selecting Sunday. I'll press next. Now, turning away from this position, I have no watering days. And that's okay, because what's going to happen is Sunday is when this panel refreshes. That will highlight the new watering days for the week. But just for demonstration, let's go ahead and go back to this interval. Yes, we'll keep the 2 days. And now, instead of starting it on Sunday, let's go ahead and start this on Friday. Press next. Rotate the dial back to run, storing that our 2-day interval is going to start Friday. Well, you can see that Friday, we are now going to start. And then Sunday, that is going to refresh and list your new days at the top of the screen. All right, let's go back to days to water. We're going to select days. We've already determined what days we're going to have. So as you can see at the top of the screen, we're in Program A. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are our scheduled watering days. Now this controller has 4 programs, A, B, C, and D. You can set your watering days by the program. Let's just go into Program B, for instance. I press the large program button up here, and you can see all the days are currently selected on Program B. So now let's rotate down again to days to water. Let's go ahead and select odd for this schedule. Rotate the dial back around. And now we can see Program B is scheduled to water Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Now if I want to add a Program C, we can do the same thing. Now, as you can see, all the days were highlighted at the top of the screen. Now in this case, let's select interval Next, we're going to do a 2-day interval. Next, and we're starting that on Friday. So now we rotate our dial back around, and as you can see, program C is set to start that 2-day interval on Friday. Now remember, when using multiple programs, there's a couple features that are key. You want to make sure that you have a program start time, that you have zone run times for the zones within that program, and that you've set your watering days. Those are the 3 key elements to using days to water and your programs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@weathermatic.com, or you can phone us at 888-484-3776. Thank you, and have an awesome day.